SoftChalk allows you to create pop-ups that appear when learners roll over a text. These are called TextPoppers. They're great for creating interesting annotated text. In my Milton course, I might use a text popper to create an annotated poem where the difficult allusions are illustrated by text and images. As you can see, when the highlighted word is scrolled over, an image and a text appear. To create a text popper, select your text and choose either Insert Text Popper or right-click and choose Text Popper. I'm going to add a text popper explaining mitered in the poem. I will use the top box to add the name we're defining and the bottom area for our text definition and image. What is really cool is the ability to add an image. To do so, you must right-click when you're inside the bottom area and choose Image. This functionality is a little hidden, unfortunately. On the pop-up menu, find and upload your image. Now we'll see how the text popper appears online. You'll need to save all activities and preview them in your browser. If your file is pretty big, this may take a while, so be patient. If your file is very big, then go make yourself a cup of coffee. The time it takes to save can be frustrating. When we roll over the text, our text popper appears. I may want to resize the image in the pop-up. It's pretty big on the page. To do so, I'd go back to SoftChalk and right-click on Mitered and choose Modify Text Popper. SoftChalk allows you to create quizzes, which can be integrated into Blackboard. The question types are pretty standard. Multiple choice, multiple response, true-false, short answer, essay, ordering, and matching. Let's first look at how to create a multiple choice question. Choose Insert, Quiz Popper, Multiple Choice. Adding the question and the choices is pretty straightforward. My only advice is if you're cutting and pasting content you've already written, do not copy directly from Word. Instead, paste the content into Notepad, then cut and paste into SoftChalk. Word contains a great deal of obtrusive code that's hard to get rid of, so I'm just going to cut and paste my content from Notepad into SoftChalk. The SoftChalk engine also gives you the opportunity to provide detailed feedback, offer hints, assign points, and determine how the quiz will appear online. You can also create a test bank of sorts by saving questions to your library, then adding them to quiz groups. To save a quiz question or an image to the library, you simply right-click and choose Save to Library. Then under Tools, you can then choose the question you want to add and then insert it into your lesson. You can also create quiz groups. This bundles individual quiz questions together. To do so, you click on Insert Quiz Group. This brings up a menu that allows you to create your question from scratch or import your questions from the library. Let's look at the latter. You simply choose Get Questions from Library, choose your question, then click Insert to Quiz Group. Then you can repeat this process until your quiz group is constructed.